Today we join to celebrate the union of families, a beautiful patchwork of people sewn together by love. We are each and all a part of Sebastian and Lauren's quilted family, and today we join together around them.
The sun rises behind her eyes, but she still can't see it.
We've known each other a really long time, and I think we always knew that this was coming and that we were life partners, but it's really special to actually see everyone in one place and celebrate that and share that with everybody.
And she's beside me, I walk slowly. She feeds my soul all the gold I could need.
In Lauren and I's journey together, I think this day is, to me, it feels like a celebration of everything we've had so far. We've been together nearly 10 years, and she's been so important to me in that time. And it's an acknowledgement that I think we're going into a new stage of our life. So I think it's both those things.
This whole time I've been searching for the wrong thing. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me.
I remember when Lauren went to Australia to study abroad, I told her, have a wonderful time, but don't fall in love with a man and not come home to your mama. Well, she had a good time and she didn't fall in love with an Australian man, but something happened on that trip. And before I flew down to visit her, she said, there's someone I want you to meet.
She's the kind you only find in a story. I've never had anybody fight for me.
December 1, 2015, 7:56 a.m. Dear family, I have big news. It's about a girl. And he goes on to tell us a very romantic story about meeting said girl and falling in love. I remember reading that email and melting. My best friend had found his best friend in Lauren, and Sebastian had added the centerpiece to his quilted family.
She's got my heart, she's got my soul. Believe me, I found my home. She's got my heart, she's got my soul. Believe me, I found my home. She's my captain.
Dear Lauren, you're my biggest advocate, my closest confidant, and you understand me more than anybody. I couldn't imagine anyone better standing across from me today. So as we move towards the next phase in our relationship, I promise you the following. I promise to be your biggest supporter, to be there for you when you struggle, to be there for yourself. I promise to never stop dating you and make sure you know how much you are valued.
She's my captain, she's the sea.
I promise to approach our love with curiosity and welcome our growth, both as individuals and as a couple.
I promise to keep choosing you on the amazing days, on the hard days, and on the ordinary days. You're the first person I want to share my joy with. You're the first person I want to hold me when I cry. Marrying you feels like coming home. It's soft, comforting, and a place I'll always look forward to returning to. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
May you be blessed with love. May your admiration, appreciation, and understanding of each other foster a love that is passionate, tranquil, and real.
May you be blessed with a loving home filled with warmth and compassion. May you create a family together that honors traditions, old and new.
May you be best friends and work together to build a relationship of substance and quality. May your sense of humor and playful spirit continue to enliven your relationship.
Together, may you grow, deepening your knowledge and understanding of yourselves and the world in which you are now embarking.
She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, she's everything.
3, 2, 1, Mazel tov!
powers vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you partners in life. You may now kiss.
Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. Keep your eyes on the horizon, stay gold. All I need are your eyes, you're my arrow. Now we're running into the wild.
Today, I'm ready to pass the baton to the man who is now her hero, her partner, her biggest fan. Sebastian, I hand over this incredible privilege to you. It's a big responsibility, but I promise it's also the greatest honor, and it will bring you more joy than you can imagine.
Put your head on my shoulder, you're safe now. When the rain comes ahead for the high ground, if the stars watching over us fade out, we'll keep running into the wild.
I've had the honor of witnessing Seb's caring and silly nature in every interaction since. He's truly one of the kindest, thoughtful, and most patient souls I have ever met. Seb, I hope you enjoy growing old with Lauren as much as I enjoy growing up with her. I love you both very much. Your relationship reminds very single people like me to never settle. Here's to a life full of dancing with nobody's watching and endless adventures together.
And I want you to know that I feel confident that you love each other deeply, because that love is going to get you through. In the good times, in the not so good times, in the happy times. And I want you both to look around you right this minute, because we're all here for you, especially me.
Wake me up, I'm tired of dreaming. All my days are yours.
I'm ecstatic for our future together, to continue our sustained peace and joy, punctuated by our adventures in faraway reaches. My memories of our beginning will live strong in me forever. But in reality, as far as I'm concerned, Australia can keep them. I want our life and our adventure from here on out more than anything. Te amo ahora y para siempre. I love you so much.